Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this professional portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The entire source code is available in the description. You can download and try to build this project. You can see the smooth animation effect, the portfolio section and all. And there are a lot more content in the channel. Please do visit. You can see the smooth animation. Right now we are in the navbar section, home, about, skill. You can see the hover effect under it. Then we can see border effect around the contact button, and you can see hover color effect to the social media icons. Then the about section. Then we have the skills section. You can see how neatly we have designed the HTML, CSS, 3 JavaScript sections. Then you can see the hover effect on the portfolio images. You can see the recent projects, smooth effect, and the contact. Try to use the type element in the form elements like email and the social media icons. You can see the smooth animation and how smoothly they are in from one section to another section. And you can see the permanent active section below the navbar, the line. And now let's go to the mobile version. This is the desktop version as you've seen before. Now let's go to the mobile version. This is the tab version, home, about. Then we have skills, then portfolio and contact. Now this is the mobile version. You can see how neatly it is aligned, giving a very professional look to your website. Professional skills and your work, recent work, all your projects, contact details. You can see the menu bar, how smooth effect it is. Thank you. Hello everyone. Today we are going to make this professional portfolio website. Here is the home section, and here we have integrated social media icons like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, as well as LinkedIn. And we have attached a button to download your CV. And we have a rotating what you can say is that the fields that you are interested in, that fields that you can work in. Like mine, I've added web development, software developer, and Canva designer, which is actually made using CSS. So this entire portfolio is designed using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And from the home section, in the about section, this is the about section. You can have your picture and button. Then in next section is services section, where I have mentioned 3 major things that I am working on. One is web development, one is Canva design, and video editing. So you can add the services that you are providing. Next we have the latest projects. So I have used this hover effect on these projects with a demo. Using this button you can go to that website. It will be very professional look. It will give very professional look to your portfolio website. Then we have testimonial. Testimonial is very important in your portfolio because it displays how you have worked previously with the other clients. So it is very important to have your testimonial section in your portfolio by using Swiper bundle JavaScript library. I have made this testimonial. Next you have your contact form. In contact, most of the people, that is the form, that is HTML form, most of people don't use the type function. You have to use the type function. Type function is very important because it will help you make the people who want to contact you, it will be very easy for them whenever the email may be wrong, because when you have the types are like email, date, while selecting date or time, it is very easy for them. So definitely try to use type functions or type attributes in the form section. Then it is an up arrow, we can go directly to the front page. Then I have also added dark mode to it, so it is light and dark mode both, so that you can it will be like more professional look to your portfolio. And make sure that whenever you are trying to add night and day and night mode, definitely try to use very bright colors in your portfolio, so that it can be visible, because in the dark mode you have to make everything, most of the data will be in dark background. So try to use high colors, like I have used here dark orange, red orange color. And as I said before, it is responsive, totally responsive, that is it can be open in the Windows, that is desktop mode. It is also available in mobile version as well as in tab version, so that it can be accessed in every in lot of you can say that in every mobile devices also. And here we are, this is the Chrome extension. Actually we can debug, most of the developers use it for debugging if there is any errors are available. You can make justify here. We can make I will show you the mobile version now. So this is the mobile version. uh, you can see we have added a side navigation bar here, home section, then about section, then services, portfolio section. So similar the why we should make our portfolio responsive means, the reason is that there may be chances that if you have attended for a job, most of the time the interviewer may not be like having his laptop all the ways on, right? There may be chance that he may open it in his laptop, or he may just say, just show me, or just tell me, I will just open my mobile phone. So it is a better practice to always have your portfolio in a responsive way, so that it can be accessed in any device, that is it can be mobile or it can be in desktop, and it will be a very good impression on the recruiter that okay, he's also practicing different, because every company wants to have their website available in different mobile. It also want to be accessible in mobile, it also wants to be accessible in desktop. So it is very important that try to make your any website that you are building, it may be your project, your final project, or anything, definitely try to make it responsive. And you have already known night and dark mode. So it is mobile view, and this is the tab view. Tab view is mostly similar to the desktop view. So entire this project is made using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and I have used Viper library, JavaScript library. Uh, so it is very beginner friendly also. You can make it is very easy to code. So definitely try to make this project, and I've provided the link in the description for the source code. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. So here in this project we have used AOS also for smooth animation and sliding. Here we are in the home section. Your name as well as hire me. You can see the hover effect for both. Then we can see the hover effect on navbar, home, service, about, portfolio and testimonials. The contact, you can see the slow movement of your image that you want to display on the home page. Then the services that you are providing. I am added web design, web development, and debugging is clearing all the debugs or codes in the errors in the codes. Then we have mentioned our skills, the percentages, and you can see the smooth animation effect and how this refilling from 0 to the specified percentage is 0 to 90, then 0 to 80, 0 to 75 and 35. You can see the download CV button also. With this you can also download your CV on click. We have added the download attribute also. Then we have our portfolio section. It is all where you can see the web design. You can see here it is a website. It is a website here also. This is web design. So here we have all the projects. You can separate them by using these buttons. Like now we are at the website section. 4 websites are there. And then next web design section, we have only 2 web designs. And in the app section we don't have anything, so it is an empty. And in all section it will show all the items that are available. Next, the testimonial section, you can see the swiper function slide, or you can use the buttons also. Then we have a 24/7 contact, location, mobile number, email, as well as website. Then a form section, definitely try to use type in the forms like email or calendar, date, it is available. Then footer section, home, about, service, portfolio and contact. You can see social media icons like Instagram, WhatsApp and Twitter. All rights are reserved. This website is entirely responsive, that is it is available in the mobile version and as well as tab version also. Let me show you that. So first let me show you the desktop version. Here where this is the desktop version, then if we slowly move on, this is the mobile version. You can see this is the menu bar. Here we have using then this is the home section. You can see the animation here. Let me show you. You can see the proper animation. Show you again. Here you can see how the 0 to 90% HTML, all these. Then you can hear our portfolio section, then testimonial section. You can see how smoothly the movement of all the selected items are moving from the animation is very smooth. It is entirely made using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, so it is very beginner friendly. You can see this. Then definitely try to make, or you can say you can definitely try to create the website. Don't just look at it and think that it has been done, so why the heck just let me just copy it. If you want to learn front-end web development, definitely try to do as many projects as possible. That is one of the suggestions I will give to you. And if you have any suggestions for me, please let me know in the comment section. And we are going to we will go through line by line explanation. So continue watching this now. And the source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Hello everyone. Today we are going to make this professional personal portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code link is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. So here we are at the home page of the portfolio. I have added my name, the designation, the contact button and integration of social media icons like LinkedIn, YouTube and GitHub. You can have your uh, photo here. Then we have skills section where I've mentioned the percentage of uh, proficiency that I am good at that particular skill, like HTML5, which is 95 percentage, CSS3, JavaScript, and React JS. Then we are at our portfolio section, that is the projects that we have worked recently. Here I have luxury car rental website, movies website, another portfolio, e-commerce website, travel website, and another movies website. And about section, to know more about to express more about yourself, that what education you have took and about your experience you can mention here. And your contact, basic contact details like name, email, and message. And footer, I've always told you to have your websites to be more responsive, that is it should be able to be accessed in both desktop as well as in mobile view as well. So let's try it with the now we are in Chrome. This is a feature which is most developers use to debug and also see how respond how, how the website is responsive in different devices. Like here right now we are in desktop mode, which you can see. Then now we try to go for the mobile view. Here we are, this is the mobile view of the personal portfolio website. This is the home section, your skills, then the portfolio, that is your latest projects, and about section, and contact. And here we have the menu bar, that is home, skills, then portfolio, then about, and your contact section. It is very good for developers to always try to make their websites responsive in mobile, tab, and desktop. So now let's try to view the website in tab mode. Here we are, this is the tab version of the portfolio. The reason to make the websites responsive is because it can be if it is accessible in different devices, then it will be like able. Most people don't use their laptops all the time, they use mobile phones most of the time. Some people use tabs more, so it is best to have your portfolio in different uh, uh, responsives, so that it can be accessed anywhere in any device. So the source code for this portfolio is available in the description with the live preview link, and it is basic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It is easy to understand. And if you like the content, please do share